Hello there guys, Feng here, and welcome back to Big Pharma. Okie dokie then. So there's actually been a update for the game since we last covered it. There's been a lot of new quality of life changes. If we go to the options menu, you can actually see we've actually got an options menu now, which is cool. So as you can see, we've got running background, we've got when product needs name, we can auto name, we can also wait for user, auto pause and focus. This is really handy. It means that you don't have to worry about stopping every 2 seconds when you got a new cure and renaming it. Since I use the auto name system anyway, this is really ideal for me. You can change key bindings as well as other things, so you can use the mouse button to pan, you can rotate machines with the mouse wheel. Edge scrolling, I've actually took that off now since I kept knocking it off every 2 seconds with the mouse, so I'm just going to be using WASD, which is fantastic. And of course, key bindings, there's a lot to use with the key binding. It's really silly, quite a lot of stuff. It's really nice, and we've even got a separate pause, normal and fast forward and stuff. Okie dokie. So in fact, actually, I'm just wondering if I should rechange that to 1, 2 and 3. I think I should. There we go. I'm not really using these anyway, so let me just take those off. There we go. Okie dokie. Fantastic. And of course, we've got the other options that were on previously. Okie dokie then. So let's crack on to the next game. So we've got a keep calm and carry on. We've got to supply 250 reduces anxiety treatments within 10 years. This one is a bitch to pull off. It's a real bitch. You've got to be really lucky with your first ingredients to actually get the master for this. Fengterprises. So there we go. We've got that. Right then. So let's check the damage first. So I've got to stop using the mouse for everything now. Now that we've actually got proper key bindings, it's fantastic. Alright, so in fact there's actually one more thing that I would like, and that really is just like a think slider, a mouse speed slider. That'd be fantastic. But so far we've got what we asked for, which is fantastic. So that's great. Anyway, let's check our cure tree and see if we've got the cure. We already have the cure. We've got lucky here. We've actually started off with the ingredient for the cure. Thankfully, it's only a level 3 one as well. It's not going to be too difficult to get to. The difficulty is actually getting the catalyst for this, and also going all the way to the cryogenic condenser. So what we need to focus on first is maybe, right, if that upgrades with, so we need antihistamine. Can we upgrade that straight away? No. That's going to take a while to upgrade. So we are going to need a 9 to start off with. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start off with the antihistamine. So, let's have a look at this layout. Okay, this is actually a really nice big room with a lot of ports. Alright, a lot of sockets, I should say, not ports. So let's go ahead and start off with you. We need absorber. Let's just stick it there. Oh yeah, and here's another thing. You can no longer auto sell by right clicking. How fantastic is that? It actually pops up a menu. You can either move or sell. That is so useful. And even better is you can actually right click, middle click, sorry, and it will clone the clone this. I'll show you that in a bit actually. If I get a pill printer, for example, if I stick a pill printer there, we middle click it and we can build a new one. How cool is that? Really cool. Alright, so here is going to be our first drug. It's going to be an antihistamine. Okie dokie. The great thing about this is doing like this, it does stop this from alternating. Now all the pill prints actually go in sync, which is fantastic. We're already making quite a decent amount of money from that. So what we should think about doing now is going an explorer, and we'll go ahead and explore this next ingredient. We should probably go ahead and research as well, although we will be losing money now. So what we need to do next is get this next one over here, and we'll use this socket over here, and we'll start getting some hypertension medicine. So what we need for that one, we do need another dissolver for that one, so let's grab a dissolver. We'll do exactly the same kind of layout for this one. This one's also going to need some pill printers, like so. There we go. How many competitors have we got? I think we've got 2, haven't we? 2. Right, so we have got competitors. Okie dokie. Of course, they both come for the antihistamine. It's the easiest one to do. We're actually quite lucky. We've actually given a decent drug value for that. This one, wow! I think we've hit the sweet spot on the blood pressure decreased as well. That is extremely lucky. That will probably end up being a C+ as well, although it is causing a few narcolepsy episodes. Oh dear. But at least we're on the green, and that's the important bit. So while we're waiting basically for our stuff to research, let's go ahead and see what we need for this. So we've got an ionizer being built. The antihistamine is actually still quite popular. Wow, okay. I'm not complaining. Leaves hypertension's not so much. It's not really making us that much of a profit. There's a really high demand for that now. Jesus Christ, that's quite high. Now the next one we're gonna is the skin one. So that's gonna be Soothes Rash. Now this one hasn't actually got too much of a demand, although we should earn top whack from that. That's pretty nice. And now the alleviated insomnia will be a good one as well. I'm guessing you've got the hypertension as well. Yeah. Okie dokie. That's to be expected. So that's nearly done. Cool. Ingredients. Yeah, we've nearly discovered our skin one. Fantastic. And we could probably focus on this one straight away. Or maybe not actually. Maybe I'll wait until we get the ionizer for that one. Yeah, might be a good idea. But we should have the ionizer any second now. And we have. Fantastic. So let's start off with the agglomerator. Oh no, we need the agglomerator for that one. Bollocks. Oops. Oh well. Doesn't really matter. I'm just not going to bother selling another queue for the time being. We've actually got quite a decent amount of profit coming in from this. Yeah, that's actually gone to a B. Wow. That's a C+ with a D for the narcolepsy episodes. That's fantastic. I mean, these ones are going to be... There's a very good chance that these are going to be the same as well. Very good chance, although mine is exceptionally more valuable at the moment. Mainly because I was the first one to get mine into the market. So, yeah. Nice advantage there. And there's still a massive increase for that. It might decrease again between October and February. But we'll see. Yeah, sneeze catcher. I mean, you don't really... I don't know though. Sneeze catcher. What is the... You'd think there'd be more of these, the antihistamine pills, wanted during the colder eras rather than the warmer. That's really odd. I'm not complaining though, mind. I'm not complaining at all. Okay. So we're definitely going to try and go for this one next, which we can do now actually. So if we can get ours out first, that would be really ideal. So let's pause. Let's go ahead and import the antihistamine, like so. So we're going to need we're going to need an ionizer and a dissolver. So we'll start off with an ionizer there, dissolver there. Okie. Right, we'll see where that goes. Alright, let's see what we got here then. Alright, so now we got the alleviated insomnia. Now this is the one obviously we need to upgrade that for the for the one that we need, which is the reduced anxiety. We are going to need a few agglomerators though, so unfortunately we're going to have to wait until we get agglomerated. Alright, let's make that cheaper since we're going to be using twice as much of that ingredient. There we go, fantastic, and we're making a bit of profit, which is always nice. Probably still not worthwhile going for the catalyst just yet. We want to make a little bit more money before we actually go for the catalyst. Agglomerator is nearly done. I think we're going to hire another researcher anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and hire him now to start getting some points. Do I actually want to get a few points first before we go straight to the... Or maybe I should go for the creamer. Creamer might be a good idea, considering we have got a few drugs that have got side effects. Now, I know for a fact I'm going to use quite a lot of agglomerators, so I'm actually going to wait to get one upgrade point so I can upgrade the agglomerator by 1. It's just going to decrease the process cost, but it's going to be really huge, really, because we are going to be using quite a lot of agglomerators. Come on. Yes, there we go. Now we'll be straight for the creamer. Not going to bother with the analyzer just yet. The analyzer will be a bit more useful once we actually have access to the reduced anxiety, and then I need to think about how I want to deliver that. We have got the syringe injector, haven't we? We can go for the syringe injector, although that's quite high and it does cost a lot of research points to actually get that kicking. Okay, so now we've got the agglomerators. Let's go ahead and start agglomerating stuff. If I stick one there, actually, yeah, I'll stick another one there. We might not quite have enough room for this. We'll have to see. Right, so we're just one off, so we're gonna need an evaporator. We might get away with just having enough room for this. Maybe not actually. Shit. We're not going to have enough room. Oh dear. Actually, we will. We will have enough room, sort of. This is not ideal, by the way. But we can actually like cut that across like that and cut that across like that. Not quite ideal, but it'll work for now. Okay, okay. I'm gonna sneeze. Pardon me. Maybe I should take some of that sneeze away stuff. Oh dear. Debating whether to buy that middle section. Don't quite need it just yet. Aha, we're making profit. Fantastic. Let's see what's going on. Right, it looks like it might be on the high end of the. It looks like it might be alright actually. That's fantastic. It's really ironic that we got good night's sleep and sometimes it induces nightmares. It seems really ironic that. I don't know why, but it does. So yeah. We're getting close to having the alternative delivery done. We probably will replace the... Oh no, you've got your snorkel, you've got the alleviated stamina. That's not good. That's not good. You're in direct competition, Mina, you bastard. Right. So we've got alternative delivery. Let's go straight for the creamer. Ah, no, you've got a snoozy one. Oh my god, this is not good. Right. We're going with me now to get our explorer to go and explore this new catalyst. We're not going to be able to do anything with it as of yet, just mainly due to the fact that we can't, because we don't have a multi-mixer yet, but we are definitely going to have to focus on that. We can't upgrade the Soup's Rash to prevent acne just yet, but the Soup's Rash was high in demand, wasn't it? Well, it was. Where's it gone? There it is. Nah, it's not that high actually. That's poo. It's still 110. We might make a bit of profit from that. I'm just looking at how much money we've got. Blood pressure. Relieves hypertension. So she must have made a new version of it, or maybe she didn't make the relieves hypertension before. Maybe we should make the soothes rash. Or maybe we should just wait. Anyway, we've got a few points to spend. Maybe I should just... yeah, I'm just going to get that one even lower, I think, since we're using twice the amount of that ingredient. Cream is nearly done. Fantastic. Right, which one are we actually... Right, it's liver. Liver. Liver's that one. Yeah, it's not particularly great, is it? Hey, we got the cream out there. We can start doing some stuff. Maybe I'll let us get some points to tick over first. Now I'm not going to fit the creamer there. I'm actually going to go ahead and buy this middle section, because now we have to do some moving. So if I move these out of the way, just disassemble these. So I'm probably not going to need them. Right, let's see what we can do about this. Let me see if we can change this a little bit. So if I move that there instead, we've got another agglomerator there, which can go there, followed by the evaporator, which can probably go there. So one. Oops. Actually, could that go? That could probably just go like. No, it can't because of the space. God damn it. That's fine. That's still going to give us a lot more space, so we can actually get a creamer on the rip. There we go. Fantastic. Now, here's the question: do we cream the relieves hypertension? It's making a decent amount of profit. Maybe we should. Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so we're going to make another creamer here. Creamer. Stick it there. Plonk that there. Stick some more belts down. Fantastic. That's just going to help out quite significantly, and we will try and get rid of some more of the side effects. Invest in a few more of the side effect reduction. Come on. Yep, there we go. That'll do for now. I'm just debating. Pill printer's pointless to get now, since it's only going to give us literally a free profit increase. It might be worthwhile going for another ionizer. Actually, no. I'll tell you what. It's probably worthwhile trying to go for the analyzer next, possibly. Now, what's interesting is that it's not showing... Oh, yeah, it doesn't now, does it? I forgot about that. So we need to have a look ourselves, so we can safely get rid of those. Those are no good. Needs the cream. And now, obviously, the downside to this is that it's gonna take some time to get my cure rating back up. But after saying that, though, the cream will definitely alleviate some of the... Wow, that's terrible. That is fucking terrible. We need to sort that one out. Yeah, I think we're going to need the analyzer for that. We'll try and find the sweet spot for that. But for now, we need to wait until we actually get the analyzer. That's annoying. How are we doing? Okay, we nearly discovered our catalyst ingredient. Fantastic. I'm hoping that the catalyst lands either there or there. Sometimes it doesn't, and you've got to shake it up. But again, it's more cost. Oh, bollocks. It's not going to work. But saying that, we might get lucky. We might end up making a double Q if we're lucky. Possibly. It's not going to have that particular catalyst in, but we might get lucky and make a dual. I am going to go ahead and reduce the cost of the hypertension since we have got that going. What shall we do, Feng? What shall we do? No one's buying this shit. We're more buying now. I'm buying 60 of that. Everyone else is buying like shit tons of it. Yeah, we are going to need a shaker. So we're going to have to get that done as soon as possible. How are we doing for time? We've still got plenty. We're not. I don't think we're going to make master at this rate. We might have if we'd have got lucky with the... We've not been able to shake it, but it's going to take a bit longer now. Is there anything else I should really be trying to make at the moment? No, they've got the catalyst that we haven't got yet. Treat angina? Possibly. We should probably try and go for treats angina. We can probably get rid of the relieves hypertension actually, and go for the angina medication. Maybe that might be something we should think about doing. We can use the same line. We can use this line. Alright. I'm hoping that we've got enough money for this, because if we don't, then we're screwed. Right, let's just see what we need to do first with this. So we need to get it down to 6. That's going to cost a lot of ionizers. And maybe even... Is it going to cost too much to make for what it is? Possibly. I mean, we could knock down the process cost of ionizers, I guess. Oh, I don't really want to do this, but I think we might be best off doing it anyway. Right. Let me go ahead and plonk this there. So we'll start off with an ionizer here. So that will knock it down to 11. Another ionizer will knock it down to 8. And another ionizer would knock it down to 5. Then another ionizer would knock it and upgrade it. This is going to be very expensive. It might not even be worth it. Oh boy. Well, it doesn't hurt to try, does it? So let's try it. Oh boy. Not ideal. Not ideal at all. And we haven't got enough money. We haven't got enough money to make anything else. Shit. We might get lucky though. We might be able to make the third level cure instead. Oh, we've just done something even better. We got rid of the side effect that was on there. Fantastic. So that's pure pence now, ain't it? But again, we're gonna need an agglomerator and an evaporator. We can't afford either. Motherfucker. Oh dear. Right. Aha, yes. Let's get upgrading the ionizer. I think I might just let these gather some points so as we can knock the ionizers on the head again. Yeah, we're not going to have enough money, I don't think. I might have to take it alone. Right, let's go for that one. Right. Let's see what we can do with this. So if we stick it from an agglomerator and then an evaporator, then that should be fine. What was the upgrade to it? We need the autoclave. That's something we could possibly do afterwards, if this doesn't make too much money, which I have a feeling it won't. But it doesn't hurt to try, does it? So let's see how that goes. I'm hoping it makes money. Current profit is not a lot. Current profit is 44. Now that's obviously going to go in for 44 as well. It's not a lot. It's actually making less than the original one was. But after saying that, It's got no side effects, and so it might end up being having a really good cure rating. If only we got the tester. Why did I call it tester for? It's the analyzer. Right, let me have a quick look and see what we should analyse at this point. Right, that's C and D. We should probably go ahead and see if we can find the sweet spot for that. We'll go for the alleviates insomnia first, I think. I'm hoping I've got enough money for this. I probably haven't. Decisions, Feng. What are you going to do? Okay, leave it running for a bit. I'm going to stick a cut in here and I'll see you next time.